Only problem we have with Massacre performance, I mean, one of me are the only one feel away here, and where Josh go on with. Yeah, man, where Josh go on with, a big fuckery, you see me? Josh not even booked for the show, and Josh come on the stage and come push him negative energy. So somebody need to tell Josh, say, yo, you need to go focus on finding a hit, because Come Make We Talk family, what go on? Today we are back with another episode of Come Make We Talk podcast. And on this episode, I'm going to discuss my Reggae Sumfest point of view. Zine, so first of all, would I like to big up the organizers of the show because it is a well organized, well put together event. The only thing that the organizers weren't able to control is human behavior. And everybody know how that hard to control when people just bad bro. Zine. So Joe, big up yourself. I definitely feel like you deserve a national award for what you've been doing over the years with Reggae Sumfest. Zine. So first thing first though, I want to big up Sente King. Proper set. The fans them love it. And even the love we get behind the stage from the media outlet, trust me, crazy love. And the first outstanding performance to me was definitely Governor performance. Jano, we see the growth and we see the maturity in your music, youth. And I tell you, say, yo, I really enjoy your performance from start to finish. We even get the opportunity to meet you, so big up yourself and much respect, Zane. And differently from that now, Massacre. Don't even know where to start, yo. Massacre performance, well proper. Only problem we have with Massacre performance, I mean, one of me are the only one feel away here, and where Josh go on with. Yeah, man, where Josh go on with, a big fuckery, you see me? Josh not even booked for the show, and Josh come on the stage and come push him negative energy. So somebody need to tell Josh, say, yo, you need to go focus on finding a hit, because at this point in your career, that's the only thing where Mr. Matter right now is you finding a hit. But differently from that, if Massacre perform 50 songs, a 50 hit, people them love it. Yeah, man, the people them love Massacre performance, man. And you know who come after Massacre? No other than the crowning king himself, Vibes Cartel. Yeah, man, the venue pack. To the venue pack, you definitely know, say, yo, I can't tell the people them come to see, because this is actually my second Sumfest, and trust me, the first one, I have nothing on this one here. You see me? Out of all the performers then we touch the stage, Vibes Cartel are the only performer where everybody in the venue stand at attention and take in the performance. And as soon as Vibes Cartel come off of the stage, you see quite a few people leave. So you definitely know, say, yo, a Vibes Cartel then come there to see. Trust me, Vibes Cartel is a very strategic person, because the song when him come on with first, you make sure come on with a song when him do for Montego Bay, Everybody know the Mobile anthem, So when Cartel drop the Mobile anthem in a Mobile, you know, say the reaction crazy, you see me? And differently from that now, the other outstanding performance to me was Skeng. You see me? The only problem with Skeng thing is that Skeng come off a Vibes Cartel. So you know, say who did the festival Vibes Cartel actually leave the venue when Skeng come on. But when it comes to the full package, we have to give it to Skeng, because Skeng understand the assignment and him carry it out very well. Because the man even come out as the Joker, And when the man come out as Joker, man, shortly after that, man, you see a female run out, just like Harley Quinn. And when me see that, me I say, yo, Jano, you know that youth, you know where I'm do? Yeah, man, you know where you do youth. I mean, I have to big up the man them still, because guess what? Spanish Town artists, them, Spanish Town, them represent and them do a good job. You don't really get a bad performance from Skeng, because in this current crop, Skeng are the most energetic and the most the better performer out of all of them, because if you think about the artists them were boss the same time as when Skeng boss, when you really look upon them, where are most of them? Skeng still there and him still a do it on a top level. See it? Joshua was one of them. Joshua never get booked for the show. There's another artist have to call up Joshua for perform a song. And when him come do, instead of him get a good forward, him come create controversy and make everybody talk about this and that after the show. We never like that. I mean, know enough people never like that because that never call for. You can't go to one event we basically set for a man and go there and try this the man. Go somewhere else go do that. That no call for that the night there. You see me? Yeah man, we never like that man. We never like that. You understand? So me I tell you say something now elsewhere. The other problem with me have now too. Differently, me never go other night there, but the other issue with me have to be with Fantan Moja. Because every artist get a contract for sign and in a them contract every artist know the time where I go perform and how much minute I go perform. Yet still Fantan Moja come on the stage across the people them about how him get 20 minutes to perform and him have how much hits where he require more than 20 minutes. A lot of the artists them have more hits than where require than the time frame where them get. You understand? I mean, I have to talk about Dunsman too, you know. Dunsman never really come on stage early. Dunsman did late, but Dunsman do a great job. You see me? Dunsman do a great job. The reception was crazy from the fans. You understand? It definitely say, yo, Dunsman have a fan base. I mean, I have to big up Chanel Miracle cause Jano, you do a good job, girl. Very, very good job. And we still have to big up Spice, you know. You know, say Spice are the dancehall queen, you know. So you know, say anytime Spice touch stage, you know, say I don't know normal, you see me? Will I do go to Sumfest again? Most definitely, because what I had the opportunity to get behind the scene. I seen a lot of things behind the scene. I get to rub shoulders with all of the media outlets and everything. So the experience was just amazing, isn't it? So of course, would I look forward to go to Sumfest again, isn't it? But that's all me have to say where Reggae Sumfest is concerned, Zine. So see you next time on Come Up with Talk. So just link me up in the comments, like, share, and let me know what you think. Zine, I'm out.